My name is Rem. Microwave Easy Cooking. Today we will start Microwave Pasta Volume 1. What you need is chicken, cucumber, cabbage, and spices. I'm telling a secret of using a microwave. Most important thing is to put a glass of water together with food. Cut the cabbages, cover with a lid and a glass of water at the side, 600 watt and 2 minutes. Cabbage is soft. Now we will prepare the chicken. Use the water came from cabbage, add salt and pepper, and cover with a lid, a glass of water at the side, 600 watt, 90 seconds. The chicken is already cooked. Now we will prepare spaghetti. Pour the boiling water in the long container, 600 watts, 3 minutes. If it's too hard, cover the lid for a minute. Let's finish. Add olive oil, cabbage, chicken, spices. Decorate with a bit of cucumber. And we use special spices from Turkey. Thank you for watching Ren's Kitchen. Your subscription is highly appreciated.